This problem is from ICPC World Final 2017 problem set. You will find the problem link and my solution code in the description box. In this problem, there will be M translations. Each translation consists of two letters where we can translate the first letter to the second letter. Now there will be N queries. Each query consists of two strings and we have to find if the first string can be translated to the second string or not. Let's come to the solution. Firstly, we will take the inputs of each translations. For each character, we will consider it as its corresponding position in alphabet. Now, considering these positions as nodes of a graph, we will build up a directed graph. In this graph, there will be an edge from second character to the first character of each translation. We are doing this because in future we will consider that if there is a path from some character I to a particular character J, it denotes that we can translate I to J. Now we will take the queries one by one. In a query, if the string don't have the same length, then the answer will definitely be no. We have kept a variable BL which is initially true. Now we will traverse the strings and try to match the characters for each position with the help of check function. Notice that before passing the characters as arguments, we replace the characters with their corresponding positions in the alphabet. This is because we are assuming the characters as nodes in a graph as we said earlier. Inside check function, we will run a DFS from node I. This DFS will mark visited to all those nodes where we can go from node I. This means that the corresponding characters of visited nodes can be translated to the corresponding character of node I. So if node J is visited, then the check function will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Now, if the check function returns false, it means that the characters from strings A and B in a particular position cannot be made same by translating some of them. In such case, we will assign false into variable BL. So, after all iterations, if variable BL remains true, the answer is yes. Otherwise, the answer is no. If you have any questions, then ask in the comments. I will try to answer. Thank you.